In this video, I will show you how to recover my lost Facebook page from hacker. So if you lost your Facebook page, this video will help you to recover your Facebook page from hacker. First of all, now go ahead and open up your browser. After you open any browser that you are using, tap on the search. After you tap on the search, go to this website, Wiki. So here is the link of the website, as you can see now, wikihow.com, wikihow.com/contact-facebook. So go ahead and tap on the link of the website that I will give you in the comment section of this video. After you open as you can see now, the website like this, here it says how to contact Facebook, easy ways to get account help. So now scroll to down. So if you scroll to down, as you can see now, here it says using a direct contact form is just like sending an email, except you are more likely to get a reply, because these forms are all linked directly from support page on Facebook. You are more likely to get a reply to filling out these forms than sending email directly. So all you have to do now, as you can see now, there is different link that this website gives you that are directly, if you tap on the link, they will give you access to get a solution for your problem. So let's say now, as you can see now, I lost my Facebook page. Here it says if you lost access to your Facebook page, so tap on this link. So now if you tap on this link, from this option now, it will give you a form. So you can go ahead now and fill in the form with your email address, and you can give them the description of your Facebook page that you lost. From there, you can wait for Facebook to reach out to you within 24 hours, and from there they will give you possible method to recover your Facebook page. Just go ahead and tap on this link if you lost access to your Facebook page. This link, this one. That's it, guys, on how to recover lost Facebook page from hacker, or how to recover hacked Facebook page. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below.